Lights, camera,
Fraction.
fraction. All right. This is, I'm calling these like one number is ... word problems. Because that's kind of how they start. And this is part 2. So one number is word problems, part 2. Last time we looked at things like this, right? If it said 3 more than, we did plus 3. If it said 3 less than, we did minus 3, right? If it said 4 times bigger than, we would do 4x. I'm going to actually write these as like x plus 3 or x minus 3. What we always had, though, was only one of these things. In the problems today, we're going to look at combining 2 or more of these things together. So it might say one number is 3 more than 4 times another number. Let's look at the first examples. All right. Okay. So one number is 3 less than twice another number. If they add up 18, what are the numbers? So pretty similar actually to what we did last time. First number in these problems are pretty much always going to be x. And the other number, it says 3 less than, which means minus 3, twice another number. How do we write twice another number? 2x. But we're going to write that before the minus 3, right? So the first number is x, the second number is 2x minus 3.
Equals 18.
Yeah, so hold on though. In this case, we don't actually know which number is bigger. So we're just going to label these first number and second number. Because if x is 1, then this number would be negative 1. So this one would be bigger. But if x is like 10, then this number would be 17, so this one would be bigger. So we can't necessarily tell right away which one is bigger. So we're just going to say first number and second number. Then we're going to add them up, and just as you guys said, 3x minus 3 equals 18. How do we solve that? Add 3 to both sides.
Which is 21, right?
3x equals 21.
So 7. Oh yeah,
So
so
x equals 7. So then I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to say x equals 7. 2x minus 3 equals 2 times 7 minus 3. Because x is 7, right? So I'm just saying my second number is 2 times 7 minus 3. 2 times 7 is 14. So this is 14 minus 3, which is 11.
Oh.
So my numbers are 7 and 11.
You can do that in a much easier way by just saying what plus 7 equals 18.
That's another way you could do it. Totally. So I could look at this and I could think, I know that they have to add up to 18. What plus 7 equals 18? 11.
Cool. Oh, no, never mind.
So difference between these four. That's a good observation. Okay, so it's up to you. Either way you want to try to get the other number, you could look at the 18 or you could look at this. This is definitely a little bit more complicated, right? Like you were saying. So if you remember that it just has to add up to 18. Okay. Alright, let's do another problem like this. One number is 4 more than 3 times another. Their sum
So that's x and then 3x plus 4.
Beautiful. So first number is x. Second number 3x plus 4. The 3x comes from the 3 times. The 4 more than gives us the.
And then you can just do 4x.
So we're going to add the x's. 4x plus 4 equals 120. Take 4. 4x equals 116. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, we'll do it long. 2 times 4 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down the 6. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 29, and then that. So 29. So now we can either do 3 times 29 plus 4, or we could do 120 minus 29. Okay, let's do that. Let's do it that way this time. 120 minus 29. We have to borrow, right? So this would be 1. So this is now 11. Right? 91. So 29 and 91. Questions on that? Okay, and one more example for us. All right. Twice a number decreased by 1 second. Add up.
Would be x and then x minus 2x.
Close.
Oh, x.
So x is going to be our first number.
Yeah. -1.
And then the second number is twice a number
Yeah, so 2x.
decreased by 1. Okay, so twice a number is 2x. What's decreased by 1?
-1.
Where? Here or here? Here?
2x minus 1. Yeah.
Yeah. Right? Twice the number and then decreased by 1. Okay, we're going to sum those. So we're going to have 3x minus 1. Very good. Equals 50. How would I solve that?
Take away 1 from. No, add 1. Oh.
Yeah, why would I add one instead of taking away one? Why would I add one here? Yeah, I want to do the opposite of minus. Good. 51 divided by 3.
17. Right?
17. So what's the other number? I could either do 2 times 17 minus 1, or I could do 50 minus 17. Which one do you want to do?
50 minus.
You guys like that method better. 50 minus 17.
33.
The numbers are 17. Beautiful.